Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Botany Tutorials. Before watching my video, subscribe my channel and share to all your friends, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Then only you will get latest updates of my channel. Everyone, in the previous session we are talking of structure of cell. In that, first one is completed, that is prokaryotic cell structure is we discussed in the last class. In this session, I would like to explain next cell, that is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell is found in higher organisms like plants, animals. These are the higher organisms, and lower organisms like protista, and one more is there, fungi, protista, animalia, plantae. These all kingdoms are all groups containing eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present around the nucleus, and membrane bound structures are found in eukaryotic cell. Okay, in that I am taking example to explain eukaryotic cell. I am taking plant cell. As an example to explain eukaryotic cell. Okay, generally plant cells are hexagonal or polygonal in shape. How they are? Hexagonal or polygonal in shape. Now I am taking a hexagonal plant cell. This is a hexagonal plant cell. This hexagonal, the line I am drawing here is plasma membrane. In the plant cell, this is plasma membrane. Okay. Next, outer to the plasma membrane, there is cell wall. The inner line is plasma membrane, and the plasma membrane is made up of with lipids and proteins. Outer to the plasma membrane, there is cell wall. This cell wall is generally made up of with cellulose. This is cell wall. Cell wall is cellulosic. That means that is made up of with cellulose. This all is cellulose. In certain places in the cell wall, cellulose is not formed. Those structures are called pits. These pits helps in exchange of substances. Cell substances. Are you understand? Once again I am explaining. This is plasma membrane. In the cell, generally plasma membrane is present. This plasma membrane is made up of with proteins and lipids. Proteins plus lipids. Okay. Next, outer to the plasma membrane, cell wall is present. This cell wall is made up of with cellulose. At some places, this cell wall is not deposited. Those places are called pits. These pits are useful in exchange of substances from one cell to another cell. Okay. Next, inner to the plasma membrane. This is plasma membrane. Inner to the plasma membrane, cytoplasm is present. This all is cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, a large vacuole is present. This is cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, large single vacuole is present. This vacuole, this is vacuole, and this vacuole is filled with sap. Sap is nothing but water and mineral substances. Water and minerals are present in the vacuole. Okay. Next, due to the presence of large vacuole, nucleus is present on one side of the cell. A single nucleus is present. That single nucleus is near to the plasma membrane because of presence of a large vacuole. Okay, this is nucleus. I am drawing here. This is nucleus. This nucleus is covered with nuclear membrane. This is nuclear membrane. Okay. In certain places in the nuclear membrane, pores are present. This is, I am writing here. This is nuclear membrane. These are nuclear pores. Nuclear pores. Are you understand? Nucleus is covered with nuclear membrane. In the nuclear membrane, certain places or certain pores are present. Those pores are called nuclear pores. Inner to the nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm is present. This is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Okay. In the nucleoplasm, a dark color and thickened structure is present. That structure is called nucleolus. Nucleolus. Okay. In the nucleus, some thread-like structures are present. These thread-like structures are called chromatin. Chromatin. Thread-like structures are called chromatin. This all is known as nucleoplasm and nucleolus, nuclear membrane, chromatin and nuclear pore. This all structure is called nucleus. Nucleus. These all are present in nucleus. Okay. Next, along with nucleus, other cell organelles are also present in plant cell. Remaining cell organelles are also present in the cytoplasm. In that, one of the cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. This is endoplasmic reticulum. Generally, this endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. This is smooth-walled endoplasmic reticulum, and second type is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Two types of endoplasmic reticulum is present. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum walls, ribosomes are present, so that they are called rough endoplasmic reticulum. On smooth-walled endoplasmic reticulum walls, there is no ribosomes. That's why they are called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Are you understand? Rough-walled endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, along with this, there are chloroplasts. Chloroplasts also double membrane structures. These all are double membrane structures. Here, chloroplasts also double membrane structures. Inner and outer walls are smooth, and inner to the inner wall there is cristae, stalks of thylakoids are present. This is chloroplast. Chloroplast. Next, This is the specific character of plant cell. Plastids, presence of plastids is a special character which is found in plant cell. Plastids are absent in animal cells, and cell wall is also absent in animal cells. Vacuoles are absent in animal cells. Okay, if the vacuoles are present, they are smaller in size in animal cell, but here a single large vacuole is present. Next, mitochondria is also present. Mitochondria is also double membrane structure. Outer wall is smooth and inner wall shows foldings. Those foldings are called cristae. This is mitochondria. Mitochondria is plural, mitochondrion is singular. Okay. Chloroplast, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum. Next, mitochondria. Along with that, lysosomes are also present. Lysosomes. These are the microbodies. This comes under microbodies. Microbodies are nothing but lysosomes. Next, spherosomes, glagiosomes. These three comes under microbodies. I am writing here microbodies. Microbodies included, first one, spherosomes. Second one is peroxisomes. Third one, glagiosomes. Lysosomes are exclusively called spherosomes in plant cell. In plant cell, lysosomes are generally called spherosomes. Spherosomes comes under microbodies. Okay. These are lysosomes. They are also known as spherosomes in plant cell. Spherosomes. Next, along with them, cytoskeleton is also present. Cytoskeleton is also found in the plant cell. Cytoskeleton is nothing but microtubules and microfibrils. They give mechanical strength to the cell. Okay, microtubules and microfibrils. Golgi bodies are also found in plant cells. These are the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are also found in the plant cell. This is about structure of a typical plant cell. Or you understand? What is the difference between a plant cell and animal cell? Plant cell have cell wall, but cell wall is absent in animals. Next, plant cell have plastids, but plastids are absent in animals. Next, plant cells have a large single vacuole, but in animals vacuoles are generally absent. If they are present, they are smaller in size. Okay, these are the main differences between plant cell and animal cell. This is the structure of a typical plant cell. In the next class, I will explain one by one. First, I would like to explain cell wall, then after plasma membrane, then after different cell organelles present in the plant cell. Okay, thank you.